Let's look at one more example. Let's say I take it as example 4. So as usual, we'll keep a body moving at 20 meters per second to be same and accelerates at, I'll say, at 2 meters per second square. It's accelerating at what speed? At 2 meters per second square. Then find displacement in third second of motion. Let me explain this to you. So if the body is moving, let's say this is the first second of motion. From here to here, it moves in second, and from here to here, it moves third second. Right? Now, this distance it is covering in 1 second. This distance it is covering in 2 seconds. And this distance it is covering in 3 seconds. I hope you understand the difference between 3 seconds and third second. 3 seconds is total from 0 to 3. Third second is only from 2 to 3. So this is t equal to 1 second, t equal to 2 seconds, t equal to 3. I hope it is clear. So once again, I repeat the question. A body moving at 20 meters per second accelerates at 2 meters per second square. Find its displacement in third second of motion. You can do it. Karthika, instantaneous acceleration is acceleration at any point of time. Got it? So average acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity by t. Instantaneous acceleration would be what? It is acceleration at that particular point of time. So that's the definition of instantaneous acceleration. But if you have to find what is instantaneous acceleration, maybe the mathematics that you know till now is not enough. You need to know a little more mathematics. So in your syllabus, we'll just define what is instantaneous acceleration. Right? So how do we find the displacement in third second? We find displacement in 3 seconds and we find displacement in 2 seconds. Subtract displacement in 2 seconds from displacement in 3 seconds. So that will give you displacement in third second. The displacement in third second is only this part. Right? This part is displacement in third second. So I can say displacement in third second is equal to displacement in 3 seconds minus displacement in 2 seconds. What is displacement in 3 seconds? U, initial velocity into 3 plus half into a into 3 square minus initial velocity into 2 plus half into a into 2 square. Right? So in these two parts, u is common. So can I write it as u into 3 minus u plus half a into 3 square minus 2 square. So what is u into 3 minus 2? That is u plus half a into 3 square is how much? 9. 2 square is how much? 4. Right. So let me put the values. U is how much? 20 plus a is how much? 2 by 2 into 5. 2 cancels. What is the answer? 25. This part is how much? 25. So I hope you understand the difference between 3 seconds and third second.